Hi everyone, this is Jackie Robinson, and I'm going to show you how to set up a folder in Google Classroom that you can use with the GoogleForm DocAppender feature. That's very helpful when you're doing all sorts of things with your staff and students. The first thing we're going to do is set up a folder with our class in it. You can do this for a class, for a staff, for all the students that go to resource, anything. There's many applications for this. The first thing I'm going to do is create a folder, and I'm going to do it in this folder that I've already got set up called Current Classes. You can see I've started the name of the folder with a hashtag or a pound sign here, and that just makes it easier for me to find later on because I don't have many things that start with this. So I'm going to go into that folder that I'm going to use. I already have a lot of classes set up here that I'm currently using. Right now I'm going to click on New and Folder. And I'm going to name the folder whatever it is I'd like. So in this case, I'm just going to call it Test Class, and I'm going to click Create. So now you can see my folder set up. I'm going to go into that empty folder, and now I'm going to create a document for every single person, student, item, whatever it is you're using this folder for. You're going to create one individual document for each person. So I'm going to open up a new Google document. And up here in the title area, I'm going to name the document, and I'm just going to use the name of the student. So in this case, I'm going to do last name, comma, first name, because that's how I like to sort everything. You'll see it say saving, and then all changes saved in Drive. As soon as you see that all changes saved, you can go ahead and close that particular document, and you'll see it's shown up in your test class folder. So I'm going to make another one. And you can open up multiple documents at a time. Just the more that you're opening up, the more it slows down a little bit. So I'm going to do 6 particular students in this class. And I'm going to pause this. I'm going to set them up, and then I'll come back and show you they're all done. Okay, so you can see I have all of my students set up. They're in alphabetical order, and they're in my test class folder. There's my test class folder, and if I go back one level, you can see they're in that folder that's pound current classes. Test classes right there. And if I go back one more, you can see they're in my Drive. So current classes, test class, and there's all my students. And if I open one up, because I haven't used the DocAppender yet, it should be a blank file. If there's anything in there, you need to get rid of it. But now your class is set up and you are ready to use this particular folder with the DocAppender.